Hi guys, in this video we are going to be talking about spring and summer lipsticks. I want to share with you the must-have lipsticks for 2020. For this video I have some pastel lip colors for you, like you can see. So last night I was doing a bunch of lip swatches on a tissue, this one here, and I just couldn't decide which colors to eliminate, so I kept half of them and I decided to divide the lipsticks and do 3 different videos. So this one here is for the pastel lipsticks. I'm gonna do another one for the bright and the bold lipsticks, and also one more for the nude lipsticks. Imagine, I have so many for nudes, but they are so pretty. I think you're gonna like the nude lipsticks that I chose. So don't forget to subscribe to get notified for those videos as well. As you can see, I have already on my lips a very crazy and lilac lip color. This is by Essence and it is the Velvet Matte Lipstick in the shade Purple Rave. And it is a little bit vibrant. If you want to tone this down a little bit, you can use a lip pencil in light beige or a dusty rose color, and you're gonna have something more wearable. I still like it, and you can also use a darker purple color on the sides of the lips, in the outer corners, and do like an ombre effect. For me, this is very spring inspired. Let me know in the comments what color is your go-to lip shade for spring and summer. And I'm also going to share with you in a while which one of these is my favorite. This lipstick is very creamy. It has like a satin finish. It's not completely matte. And this lip color is going to look very nice with a very soft lilac eye look. You can also do something very neutral like what I have now with just eyeliner. After that we have another lilac lip color. This one is the Intense Butter Gloss by NYX Cosmetics, and I have here the shade Sweet Nothing. I like using these together, and I'm gonna apply some to show you the combination. This lip gloss makes the lipstick a little bit more wearable, and also you can give a glossy finish if this is something that you like. I like using them both because I have a different color, and now I want to show you how it looks by itself. So this is another alternative if you want a lilac lipstick but you don't want something so vibrant. It looks amazing. I really like this formula because it's not very thick, but we have this very glossy finish. And I think I had this in my fall lipsticks as well because I like this for all year. After that I have here a light pink lipstick. This reminds me the episode of Friends that Joy was wearing a light blue lipstick. Ichiban lipstick for men. This is the matte lipstick by NYX and we have it in the shade Fluff Piece. It is a creamy lipstick and you can also make it a little bit more opaque with a lip pencil underneath. You can see that my outline is a little bit darker because of my natural lip color, and this lipstick can look super pretty with a purple and red smoky eye look. You can also do a fuchsia eye makeup look. I think this is a kinda crazy color, but it can change your mood, and if you can do that with just a lipstick, why not? Moving on to a lipstick by Wet n Wild. This is the creamy lipstick in the shade Pinkerbell. This one looks very intimidating and I chose it for this video because it is bright, but also it is a light pink shade, and I think it is very nice specifically for summer, and a very neutral eye look again because this is light but also it has like a neon-y finish. It's not matte as a liquid lipstick, but also it's not shiny. It is like the Velvet Matte lipstick. So the formula of this lipstick is a little bit stiffer than other creamy lipsticks that I have, but it has a very nice color payoff, so I'm like, okay. Also, because it is so stiff, it is easy to use the edges of the lipstick to outline your lips, and that's so practical. So the previous lipstick stained a little bit my lips, and I have used a makeup wipe to remove all of the color. I'm neutralizing again. And after that we have the Perfect Shine Lipstick by Essence in the shade Perfect Romance. This one is a light corally shade. It depends on your own lip shade how it is going to look on you. On me it is a little bit darker now because I have done lip swatches and I have removed 5 lipsticks today. The formula of this one is very creamy. It has a glossy finish. It looks smooth on the lips and it is super pretty. If you want to make it even less vibrant in color, you can apply a smaller amount and blend it with your fingertip. You're gonna have a color like this, like blushed lips. This is a very wearable corally shade. That's why I wanted to have it in this video and not in the bright and bold video, because on that one I have darker colors. This lip shade is gonna look super nice with a bronzy smoky eye look. I still have pink color from the Wet n Wild lipstick. Let's continue with a light peachy color, and this is by Kiko Cosmetics, the Fusion lipstick in the shade Smart. This is such a pretty lip color, so dreamy. I like it so much in the summer and spring because I can do a darker brown smoky eye look with this one, and it is also so wearable. You can do a very simple eye look, only mascara, nothing else, and it is going to look super pretty. This is a creamy lipstick. It has like a very light gloss. It's not a satin finish, and I think it is so pretty. It can look nice on a lot of different skin tones, and this is such a pretty lip shade. I can wear it every day, all day. After that I have another lipstick by Kiko Cosmetics. This is the creamy lipstick in the shade... Where is the name of the shade? So I think the shade is 04. For some reason we don't have a name. Anyways, the lip color matters in this video, and let me show you the color. Ooh, pretty. This is a light tangerine lip color, super pretty. I was so excited that I found it in my collection again, because you know, sometimes I forget the lip colors that I have. You can make it more vibrant with a second layer of product. If you want to have something more wearable or blended out, you can use one coat of the lipstick and blend it out with your fingertips. This can look super fantastic with any brown smoky eye look, brown gold, or a bronzy look. This one has a creamy texture and a satin finish. It's not completely matte. It gives that healthy glow to the lips, and it is so pretty. And this is going to look super nice on a lot of different skin tones as well. After that I have a lip color by Revlon, and this is the Balance Stain in the shade 25 Sweetheart Valentine. It looks a little bit darker on my lips now because of the lip swatches, and it is like a lighter magenta lip color. It has a very nice minty scent and taste. It is actually very nice on the lips. And this one here is a lip stain with a balmy consistency. It's very creamy on the lips and comfortable. You're going to have pink color the next day as well. So keep that in mind if you want to try this. This is a great choice for those of you that want a very light lip color on the lips, but you want it to be noticeable. And I like this one because it has a very light glossy finish. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite color of today's video. Mine is this one by Essence, the Perfect Shine Lipstick, because it is so wearable and I can wear it with a lot of eye looks. And you can find here a spring eye makeup look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Let me know the comments. Ichiban lipstick for men.